Kardong, nili men sami klar edong pipi, nili Diphu Government College long amai PR President Igbom, nili aprangsi kachurog ipi kangtung labang Hills Gas Agency Bharat Gas, alangli tumsi laso asai kapatir pipon, kapen in collaboration with Heritage Learning Program, Diphu Government College Student Society, Diphu Active Reporter Team, Green Hills Society NGO, and Diphu Municipal Board. Firstly, I would like to thank Hills Gas Agency Bharat Gas for approaching us. Nilitum Diphu Government College Student Union Society asai along sa dami ng approach lo jay laso asai sa dami claims nang Diphu Government College feel and boundaries long ko ani kiter hor ki June la pen ke la unwanted items hay sa dami long u puna pinangan complain bang po laso taxi alang litum laso asai sa dami ding pon lo nili dia sa dami chu hanging tung non Diphu Government College pe nang chitong dun also mark man kom heglo at he non vacations puja vacation do igbom so join si nang chitong dun hedat lo sita me nili mai phi abang nili side o sta me nang chitong dun ke la at he la ki si ke mesen asai binak labang ki si awareness lo nili Diphu Government College ahin pen kado kabe atumhan kachuning ri ke la hen lo Diphu Government College playground labang ki si kijui lapen ke patu parong ro adim binak lake hor ki June ke pater apua phan kali majo ka phan sitame nang pathuri nang juiri pe sitame si sai ke mi aphan nang li tumang ignon lapen ki ke pater pathu te kang pustame nang li tum pene ason cho pustame nang li tum war te kang ikedan non athi chilang no dak Diphu Government College poti si ke banai lapen ki thenai si college lo Karbiang long pen ke dak an si penangan atum ke akithek lapen ke aman kido ki claim kidam bang phi bang phus tami nang man lo laso college aphan litum aman ki pi ke kenang sot lasi nili chuning ri iglo laso college aphan ang litum penang anaman pi pen ang litum chematha penang litum mithang aware pen ang litum ardi kang sam la hor ki June lapen nang litum agari ahum bang open la college boundaries are loke sailang no la hai tami nang claim ik edet po pusini chuniri iglo lan ben si lam thing.
Today we are assembled here, all of us from different society, from different NGO. We have come here for a cleanliness drive. First we have cleaned Diphu Government College field, and then after that we continue cleaning here. Although we have started very small, but we hope that the people of Diphu, of Karbiang Long, can carry on this initiative so that we have a beautiful, clean environment. Because it is necessary not only for us as human beings to have a safe and clean environment, it is also beneficial and necessary for organisms and every other things to sustain in this earth. So I hope that all of us can collaborate and come together and do this cleanliness drive, not only today, but every year or maybe every week if we can, because together we can do anything. So thank you everyone for coming.